It's Code Coach here. We're looking at deck bolting. All right, and this is a great example of 4 at your ends, okay, and then alternating pattern. Note the bolts are 2 inches from the bottom, 2 inches from the top, in the middle third of your band. That's really where you get your strength from. And then again, make sure that your bolts are through bolted. Sometimes people allow for like a Simpson anchor or a Timberlock screw. Again, that is very important, the bolting. And then if it is a through bolt, that they go in and you have solid backing, that you don't use a web truss. You want to make sure you have either a solid rim band or a solid 2x member, something structurally sound that will withhold the weight.